Where ideas take shape. Next-gen shop drawing services. Offshore outsourcing. India knows AEC professionals face tight timelines and complex designs. We offer 2D and 3D shop drawing services that solve problems before they arise. Our shop drawings cover HVAC, staircases, concrete, rebars, plumbing, and facades. We deliver architectural, structural, facade, millwork, fabrication, and BIM shop drawings. Each drawing is clear and precise to reduce confusion and avoid costly mistakes. We work closely with clients to meet budgets and finish projects on time. Structural drawings ensure strong foundations, steel frames, and beams. We provide steel, rebar, and precast shop drawings for safe, durable buildings. Our plans guide workers to assemble parts correctly and securely. This helps buildings stand tall and steady, meeting all safety standards. Get in touch with us www.offshoreoutsourcingindia.com.